Welcome to our packages in Python and how to import and use them tutorial. I'm Ali. In this lesson, we'll explore the concept of packages in Python and how to import and use them to extend the functionality of your Python programs. Let's start by understanding what packages are and why they're important in Python. In Python, a package is a collection of related modules. Think of it as a way to organize and group together Python code. Packages help keep your code organized, avoid naming conflicts, and allow you to reuse code developed by others. Python comes with a rich standard library that includes many useful packages and modules. Here are some examples of packages from the Python standard library. These packages provide functionality for mathematical operations, working with the operating system and handling dates and times, among other things. Now, let's see how you can use packages in your Python code. So to use a package, you need to import it into your Python script. Here's how you can import packages. In this code, we import the math and O's packages and a specific module date from the datetime package. Once a package is imported, you can access its functions and classes using dot notation. Here's how you can access functions and classes from an imported package. In this code, we use the square root function and constant from the math package and create a date object from the datetime package. You can also give packages an alias to simplify their usage. Here's how you can give packages an alias. In this code, we give an alias m to the math package and use it to calculate the square root. To explore the contents of a package or module, you can use the dir function. Here's how you can use dir to explore package contents. In this code, we use dir to explore the contents of the OS package. In addition to the standard library, you can also use third-party packages to extend Python's capabilities. To use a third-party package, you first need to install it using a package manager like pip. Here's how you can install a third-party package using pip. Replace package name with the name of the package you want to install. Once installed, you can import and use third-party packages, just like standard library packages. Here's how you can use a third-party package in your Python code. This code, we import the third-party package name, and use one of its functions. There are many popular third-party packages available for various purposes, such as data analysis, web development, and machine learning. Here are some examples of commonly used third-party packages. These packages extend Python's capabilities in their respective domains. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of packages in Python, including importing them, accessing their contents, and using third-party packages to expand Python's functionality. And with this knowledge, you can leverage the power of packages to write more efficient and feature-rich Python programs. To dive deep into the topic and work on exercises, head over to our notebook on Google Colab and GitHub. This link can be found in the description box. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.